Alright, you are going to Lonesome Junior and the big man himself.
Yeah, man, little Johnny Wonder, man, for real, man.
See? Alright, so you don't know, I run things record promotions in association with my father, Father Lonesome, Angie, and Father Woody from East, saying representing for real champion son of dancehall.
Remember that.
So Saturday the 30th of March.
And you don't know, say that same day there, I'm a birthday. The 30th of March, which I'm birthday that.
Alright.
So begs me now go there. But aside go.
But John, they don't know you can just pop up.
You never know.
So they can just pop up.
You never know. You don't tell them. Because we know some of that. We have to do things, you know. We make people. Because we know some of them do things, you know, and do it different, you know.
Straight.
Yeah.
So Killaman Jaro, you don't know the dance on there, they run things.
Killaman Jaro?
Yeah, man, Killaman
Jaro?
You don't know.
Alongside run.
Oh, God, man. Oh, God.
Lord God.
Dance on. Alright, Killaman Jaro, seeing King Vower there, seeing Stepper's Choice, Magnum Force. Johnny.
Hey, let me tell you something now. The dancer now go good again. The dancer shot, you know.
No.
You mean say all of them bad sound that the other dancer?
I tell you, man. So you wait a keep a Canada. Kasni event venue. 5637 Finch Avenue, Unit 1.
Yeah.
So it's out there Canada. So Johnny Wonder, I'm telling the people big boss.
That's to make the people know so the dancer shot. Straight. And Killaman Jaro they run things straight and the whole works. You understand?
Straight.
And me I tell you something, Canada. Let me tell you that I'm in for a treat.
Oh God.
And a dancer. Hey, listen, I'm a birthday night. Hey, listen. You not feel no way for the not see me that I dance there. You feel no way for the see me that I dance. Birthday night that.
Local John run things artists, you know. Local John run things artists, you know. So
people just come out in all the tens and thousands. Just bring on a queen, left on a machine, and cut a dancer. Now go good again. Killaman Jaro, that side run things. But the next song them name?
Oh, King Vower.
Magnum Force. And Stepper's Choice.
Saturday, March the 30th.
I'm not telling you something for the March, man. The 30th, I'm 30th, I'm born. So run things, Lonesome. Just done the place, my friend. Straight. Let me tell you, you have the tune there. Me can't tell you. The rest I sound them. And my sound and my friend them sound still, but you have the tune there. So just bust the place. People, just turn up.
Real champion sound.
Antagonize.
Dancehall.
I got killer some boy bow down your way and cry.